Hi, grade 4, Emirati syllabus. Today, I will make a quick review on some items in your syllabus before your exam, mid-year exam test. But before I will go to our review today, I would like to say don't forget to make share, like, subscribe to my channel, send you new videos. Let's go to our lesson today. Today, I will make a quick review. Let's do this review together about some items in your syllabus. Which in the first item we have subject, timetable, classroom. This is the vocab that we learned during the academic year. Here we have subject, timetable, classroom, uniform, homework, break time, lesson, and library. Here we have the multiple choice. Let's answer together. We have the practice grammar rule about adjectives, WH question. Here we say, is your favorite subject? What can I select here? What or which or when? You are I'm listening to saying, man, what is your favorite subject? So, and when we ask someone about the favorite subject, favorite sport, I say, what is your favorite sport? What's your favorite subject? What's your favorite film? Or what? Ask about something, I use one. Hamad likes colors. I think art class is what is boring? No. It's difficult? No. Too bad. It's interesting. First subject do you like best? So here I ask about the choice which of the subject that we like. So we say, which subject do you like best? So here I ask about multiple choice. Which subject do you like? Space English class is amazing. So here we say, I think English class is amazing. Let's go to answer one. Mariam enjoys writing numbers. She says math is what? Math is easy. So here he enjoys writing numbers. So the math so Mariam like what? Like math. Okay. Let's go to another item here in this unit. We have here this is the tools that we use in every subject. This is the tools we use it in what? In the art subject. So I select here art. Here is A, B, C, and this called what? This is an English. We use A, apple, B, ball, and so on. This is for English. We use the globe in geography, clever pupils. We use these geometric tools in what? In mathematics. So here is the mathematics. Here is the tools of what I think this is I can see in the science laboratory. So here is science. Here is BE. BE is the abbreviation of what? Can you remember me? Can you remind me with the BE? BE is the abbreviation of physical education. So I select here physical education. This what? This is music. Okay. This is what? This is an Islamic studies or Islamic or religion. Let's go to another one here. Here we say, here is the dialogue between Sarah and Ahmed. Is your favorite subject? So Sarah asks Ahmed about what? About the favorite subject. So the answer is the question to be, what is your favorite subject? So here I put here, what is your favorite subject? Okay. Here is what? My favorite subject is, here we say, my favorite subject is what? My favorite subject is here, is, as we know here, what? Is English. We say here is English. So so the next question, what subject do you like? So Ahmed asks Sarah, what subject do you like? You say here, what subject do you like best? Sarah replied, Sarah, I like art because it's what? It's fun. It's fun. What is the least favorite? Here, what is the list here? Favorite subject, favorite subject. All of us know that mathematics is the least one. Or most of us don't like mathematics. I don't know why. Because it's what? It's difficult. Most of us don't like mathematics. I don't know why most of us don't like mathematics. So we have a complicated problems. I think so. Yes, I think so. So most of us don't like mathematics. Let's continue the rest of the exercise. I talk about my experience that my father is an engineer, but I don't like mathematics at all. Here is space. Is your favorite subject? So here it will be here. What is your favorite subject. It will be here, what's your favorite subject? Space you like to eat for lunch. So here we'll say, what do you like? Here is what do you like to eat? Here is, it will be, here is, we say, what do you like to eat? What do you like to eat for lunch? So I ask about something that we eat for lunch. Here is, we say, are you late for school? So I ask about the reason here. So we say, the answer it to be, the question it to be why. So ask about the reason of delaying for school. Color, do you like red or blue? So here I ask about choice. I use what? I use here which, okay? Let's go to another one here. Space your best friend. So it will be here, what's your best friend? What's your best friend, okay? What's your best friend? So here I ask about the best friend. Let's continue the rest of the exercise or the rest of the review today. So here we ask about who, to ask about subject person, where, to ask about place, when, to ask about time, why, to ask about reason, what, to ask about something, how, to ask about way or manner. Okay, when we say how does it work, or what do you go to, how to go to school by bus, by car, and so on. Here we have which, to ask about choice, how many, to ask about numbers, how to often ask about the frequency of time that the happening is the action happen. Here we say space, we learn about Islam, the life of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, and good. So here we talk in this subject called what? Islamic studies. Let's go to another one. In space, we exercise, play sport, and how to stay healthy. So this is the BE, physical education. In space, we work the numbers, shapes, and so on without thinking. It's mathematics. I think so. It's mathematics without thinking. Relate with numbers and shapes, it will be mathematics without thinking. Space, listen songs and music, it will be here music. Read books, learn new words, and practice listening and reading. All of us know it, English, because it's an international language. We stay in the United Arab Emirates, read stories, and learn correct spelling and writing. In what? It will be here in we stay. So here it will be about. About Arabic. It's Arabic. So here I talk about Arabic. Spelling and writing, so it's Arabic. We will learn countries, maps, and weather, and different weather. It will be geography. So I can I can write here history, but when we see spelling and writing, so I talk about Arabic. Here we talk about geography. We learn about animals, plants, and how it works in the world without thinking science. That is the topics of science that we learn. We draw, paint, and make creative designs. It will be art. It will be here art. The last one, it will be ICT, IT. This is the subject that we use to know more about computers. Let's go to Unit 2. Here we have rule, respect, kind. Here is chair. Here is fair, honesty, polite, helpful. So let's go to another one here. Space. Your space don't run in their hole. So here it will be here. You mustn't run in the hole. We always here what we always follow. We must space to your teacher. We must listen. As we told you before, that must, should, any models must be followed by what? Can repeat with me. Who can remind me who can remind me any models. We must do what? We must follow it by the infinitive form. Here we say we must space to your teacher. We must listen. Our class has 5 space to remember. Have 5 what? Has 5. So our class has 5 rules. Always face your friends. Always respect your friends. Let's go to another one. We must follow the school. It will be here school rule. Students should show space to their teacher. So respect. It's good to be space to everyone. It's good to be helpful to everyone. Always space your toys. Here is it will be a share. The teacher space to all students. The teacher is space to all students. Is here is fair for is here. Space meaning telling the truth. It will be here on honesty. A space classmate helps others. Here is a help for classmate. Help for classmate. You should always be space and use good words. Always be kind. It will be here. Be kind. Be kind. Okay. It's good to be space with everyone. To be fair. Here is to be. So I will repeat it again. We must follow the school. It will be here school rule. Students should show space to their teacher. Respect. It's good to be polite. To be polite to everyone. Always space. Always space. Here is it will be here. Share. The teacher is space to all students. Always fair. Fair. The teacher always fair. Space meaning telling the truth. It will be here honesty. Honesty. Space classmate is a space classmate helps others. A helpful classmate helps others. You should always be space and use good words. Be kind. Kind. Let's go to another one here. This is a comprehension. Let's read it together and answer the question below. My name is Sarah. I live in a small town. Every day I wake up early. So here we talk about what? About the daily routine. Okay, here we talk about the daily routine. My name is Sarah. I live in a small town. Every day I wake up early and go to school with my brother. I wear my school uniform and take my bath. At school, we study. So here, Sarah, till the details, till the subjects that we learned in school. In school, we study math, English, art. I like art more than English, but math is my favorite. In the morning, I check. There is the first one saying that is like mathematics, but not all of us like mathematics. I think so. In the morning, I check my timetable to know my lessons. After 2 lessons, we have break time. I eat my sandwich and play with my friends. What is the girl's name? Girl's name here, it will be here, Sarah. Where does Sarah go every day? Go every day. Sarah go to what? You can tell me. Go to school. Okay. What does Sarah usually wear? All of us when we go to school wear what? School uniform. All of us know this. Which subject does Sarah study? Which study what? Study. Here is study. Math, English, and art. It will be here. Math, English, and art. Which subject does Sarah like best? It will be mathematics, as we know here during the text. Let's go to another one. Sarah goes to school with her brother, as we know here. Would go to with his brother. Yes, it will be here right. So the answer here, it will be right. She studies music at school. No, not music. Here we say art. I think art, the music is kind of what? I think we say art. I think art is related on music is related to art. I put right as we have art here. She checks her timetable in the morning. Checks timetable. Yes, here is checks timetable. Yes, it will be here. Yes. But I say right here on music. Why? Because when we say art, I think art is different kind of art, music, painting, and so on. So I still here that is true. So if we don't know, if you have a misunderstanding for this, I will write false. Okay, so I write it true as it is, and you can also ask for this in your teachers that are in your school to be to correct it if it's wrong. Okay, she checks her timetable in the morning here. Checks timetable in the morning. Yes, check timetable in the morning. So I will write it this. Her favorite subject is mathematics. As we know here during the text, it will be here. Math is a favorite. Yes, is the favorite here. So I select this one. She eats her lunch at home. Eats her lunch at home. I think it's correct. Okay, I leave this one to do it by yourself. Okay, I answer one of them and I will leave another one to do it by yourself. Here we have a topic or a paragraph in that we write it. I answer one of them and I will leave the next one to do it by yourself. Here we have the words that I answer this question to make a paragraph. What is your favorite subject? You can say here, if we have all the subjects here, you can select one of them. So I select English. What is the last subject that what is your list subject? So I say here my favorite subject is English. So the list favorite subject, it will be mathematics. Why do you think of English? English is an international language, so I like it because I can contact with many countries, and and now all the devices. All the devices and technology now use English, so English an international language, so can know English well to contact with all the people all over the world. It is an international language that communicated by all the people all over the world. We what can you see in the picture? Here in the picture I can see the different types of subjects. We have here calculator, we have here the tools that we use in science lab, we have globe, we have pens, and so on. Can write it here. What should you do with your friend? I respect my friend. And when we have an idea, I respect the idea that my friend telling for me. Okay, so this is a paragraph here. Okay, I respect my friend and don't make silly of his or her ideas. Okay, I will leave this one to do it by yourself. Now we'll make a quick revise on some items in your syllabus. Best of luck of you. Thanks a lot. Until you meet again. Goodbye.